Hi, I am Angie Dos Santos, and this week I would be talking about how I came about a topic. So last week we had to decide on a topic. I decided Pearl Harbor. And this week, this is how I came about to get my sources, get me started on my research. I started looking for primary sources first. I searched JSTOR and found some essays written by students the day after the attack. These students went to George Washington School in Seattle and had an assembly the day after the attack. And I'm guessing students had to write about it or write about what the assembly was about because it was this student. This is one of these essays, and there was another essay. I saved it, but they both spoke about, and they just spoke about it. Everybody being an American and everybody is under the same roof, so they would need to. Especially during this time. So this source would help me when I was asking about how the war affected people in the military, how it affected citizens of the United States. I also did a Google search for primary sources, and I did find one that's famous. So it says that this is the original document, but since it is on Google, that it's the original document, but I'm not sure if I then moved on to, and I have requested from ILL. So one of them is an ebook, which is the Pearl Harbor. This is includes a report of the Navy court relating to the Japanese Air Force attack. Then the other book that I requested is Pearl Harbor, Warning and Decisions. This one is that it's about the denial that there was a lack of preparation from, or was there a political plot. So this is my research because these were questions that I wanted to find out. Are there any signs that were missed that showed that there was going to be a sign of attack from Japan? Other secondary sources that I did find are JSTOR. So I have the Pearl Harbor controversy. Some of them are just are chapters. So this one's Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor. And this one is Winning the Pacific War. And that's it. I also did mention some podcasts that I could tour. It says this one, it talks about the first, and I've listened to some. That will continue to be looking for those. And that is it.